Gressingham Duck with Madeira and cherry sauce. Packed with protein and absolutely delicious.
Store. Season. Rub. Hot pan.
The secret here is seaming it on the fat side of the duck breast. That will give it a really nice, crispy colour. In the oven, 8 to 10 minutes, 190 degrees.
Madeira sauce. Hot pan. Olive oil. Shallots. Mushrooms. Season.
The secret of the Madeira sauce is keeping it really nice and sweet, slightly fruity, to help match the richness of the duck.
Madeira wine.
Absolutely perfect for making sauces with rich, gamey meat.
Reduce. Chicken stock.
Bring that up to the boil.
Sieve.
Duck breast out.
Rest.
That's what I want. All that flavour in there, in my sauce.
Cherries.
Cut them in half. And then add our Madeira sauce back into the pan. Lovely.
Butter. Cool. Duck. Sauce. Gressingham duck with Madeira and cherry sauce, served with caramelised endive. Done.